recording. Okay,
Papi,
there we are.
ve para allá, ve para allí, que estoy en clase.
Yeah, I saw only the last, because when I get the answers, I can't see the
Oh,
progress. I see only
yeah,
the last one.
yeah. The first
So,
time I don't read. The first say the rewrite,
okay.
and I did all this. The last is just you need to write the part,
Mhm.
the trouble. Oh my God, I did again. The
It's
other
okay.
was the phone or the capital letter. Oh my God. Oh my God.
No problems. You can work the times you need, as I said before, okay? I have no
Okay.
problems with that. You can do it 3 times, 4 times, the times you need, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Well,
Yeah.
we're going to start practicing the topics for today. The first topic was relative clauses, right?
Yes.
Relative clauses. Can you remember what relative clauses are? Or when do we use them?
Which, who, and that.
Uh-huh.
I remember that who is for person.
Mm-hmm.
Which is for thing.
Yeah,
And that you can use for thing and person.
exactly. We can use that as or an alternative to who or to which. Okay. Let's practice. Yeah. And sometimes we can have other pronouns, other relative pronouns like where, when,
Oh yeah, yeah.
depending on, or yeah, depending on what you are talking about, what you are referring to. Okay. Well, let's
Okay.
see. Let's see if you have any problems, you tell me. So this is to
Okay.
complete with, you have options, so we choose between the options. Okay?
Okay.
I give you a little bit to read, and then I click on the drop-down menu for the options.
Okay. I have a friend who speaks 4 languages.
4 languages. This is in the plural, languages.
Languages.
Yeah, it's languages, languages.
Languages.
Hey, good, good.
Language.
Languages, good. Yeah, and we choose who because here talks about a person, right?
Yeah.
Okay, is it possible here to use that instead of who? Not this, that, but that alone.
I have a friend that speaks 4 languages. I don't know if I can use that.
Remember what you said before, that
Oh
can,
yeah.
so
That.
yeah,
I
we
have a
can.
friend that speaks 4 languages.
Languages. Exactly.
Okay.
It's not possible this one because
Because
it has he, okay?
okay.
And we cannot repeat the subject in this case. Because the
Okay.
subject in this case is here, a friend, or we are talking about that person, okay? If we put he here, we are repeating the subject. Okay.
Sorry.
they,
Mommy.
they are interrupting you. And how about the kids? Do they speak English? Well, your
Here
kids, yeah. Do they speak English?
my old
Oh, eldest?
and my son.
Okay. So not the
my
youngest.
yeah,
Ah,
he is 11.
okay. So all of them.
My little daughter, she missed
She
she said
mixes.
2 words in English, 1 in Spanish. She said, give me tea. Ella mezcla siempre porque she see the cartoon in
The
English and
cartoons. She
she
watches
understand.
cartoons in English.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Excellent. Number 2, the internet is a place
Where you can get cheap technology
products. Cheap with
cheap,
cheap. Good.
cheap.
Where you can get cheap technology products. Okay.
Okay.
Emails
Which advertising
advertising
are called spam.
are called spam.
Are called spam.
Okay, shall I repeat? And you pay attention to pronunciation.
Emails which, oh my God, advertise, I forget, are called spam.
Okay, listen to me, okay? And then you imitate. Emails which advertise things are called spam.
Emails which advertise things are called spam.
Called, no called. Called, no
Called.
e. Called.
Called.
Called. And
Spam.
which, la ch. Hay que practicar mucho la ch. ¿Sí?
Wish.
No es wish, es which. Ch.
Which.
Which. La punta de la lengua para decir la ch toca entre los dientes y la parte de arriba del paladar. Which. Y hace como un pequeño toquecito. Which.
Wish es deseo también, ¿no?
Claro, cambia. Lo mismo te pasó con esta, cheap. ¿Sí?
Cheap.
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 Cheap. Ojo porque suena sheep y es el jeep. Esto es Tenés que lograr que toque la punta de la lengua, hace como un toquecito. En la punta del paladar, entre el paladar y las paletas. Esta es la lengua y hace así. Cheap. Cheap. Which. Ahí va. Acordate, anótate la CH para practicarla. ¿Ok? Practice the CH. Okay. A technophobe is someone that is scared of technology. So here you see, we don't have who, we have that. Okay?
Okay.
We don't have who, we have that. Okay, number 5. We should only buy products. That can be recycled. And here is another example of the that replacement. Here that is replacing the which. Good. That's the shop.
Where?
Where I bought these shoes. Mhm. Very good. I can't find the city.
Was or that?
Which one replaces the which? Remember?
Yeah, that.
The that, not the what, right?
Mhm.
What you use if you are speaking
Plain.
about a question. Hmm?
Mhm.
Okay. Do you remember the park
Were with me.
where we met?
Met.
Where we met. This is the past. Huh?
Yeah, met.
Mhm. There were 3 people at the party.
Who?
Who knew me? Yeah. And finally, I want to see the film.
Which?
Which everybody's talking about. Exactly, because who know and
No,
that
no
it
person.
is not correct. Very good. Okay. Do you have any questions about the relative clauses or that it's clear?
Yeah, this part for me was clear.
Okay. Okay. So next point, the connectors. Okay. We're going to practice now different types of connectors. Maybe they are not exactly the same connectors that appear in the module in the video, but the idea is to practice different types of connectors. Is there any one in particular that you have problems with? Any connector or conjunction in particular that you want me to focus on?
Yeah, sometimes I confuse when I can use so as to.
So as to. So
Yeah.
as to. Okay. You confuse it with?
Yeah, because for some time when I read the sentence, I think that I can use whatever depends the no change the sense or means
The meaning. The meaning.
the meaning of the sentence.
Okay, so as to is for purpose. So you always use so as to when after the conjunction, the connector, comes a verb, an action. So as to sleep better. So as to celebrate together. My parents are coming home so as to celebrate Christmas together. You see? So that's the use of the so as to. The to means that you need to use an action after it. Any other with problems?
No.
No?
No, it's okay. Because
Okay.
I understand the cause and reason.
Okay.
And the other is the perimeter. Yeah, it's okay.
Excellent. Okay, so we can start practicing. Yeah? We start easy and we complicate little by little. Okay. So here in this test, we're going to use and, because, but, or so. It's easy. You choose and I click.
This ice cream is full.
Este helado está frío, delicioso.
And
And, yeah, okay.
yeah, I was reading and because, but, or you might
It's okay.
We can't play today because it's raining.
Mm-hmm.
There is no bus, so we'll go on foot.
So we'll go on foot.
Oh, yeah, we'll go.
We'll go on foot.
You should wear a coat or
Or
scarf.
scarf. Perfect. If you need any vocabulary, you ask me, okay?
Okay.
Any word.
We played it very well. So,
Okay, but it says didn't win. If we put so, it doesn't match. Makes no sense. It has no sense.
but.
But we didn't
Yeah,
win.
that's the, yeah.
Okay.
She is in the bed because she has cold.
She has a cold. Good.
They didn't invite me, so I didn't go.
So I didn't go.
We ate apples, lemons, and bananas. I want to buy a new house, but it is very expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Is he your father or your uncle?
Or your uncle. Okay, the last one from here.
I like sugar, but it is bad for me.
Good. Excellent. Okay. Any questions? No, it's easy, right?
Yeah, it's easy.
These are easy. Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to wait because I'm choosing. I don't want to choose. Okay, let's practice because or because of. Yeah. Did you see that we have because, but we also have because of? Yeah. One is porque, the other is a causa de. So they are used in a different way. Ready for that one?
Because of
Yeah.
it.
It's because or because of. So look at number one and tell me which one do you choose?
We stopped playing tennis because
This
the
one?
rain.
No.
No,
It's because
because
of the rain. A causa de la lluvia.
Oh,
O por
yo tenía
la
aquí que era
lluvia.
como porque, como por algo. Ah, sí, pero verdad, la
Claro,
causa es la
por
lluvia.
algo.
Sí,
Claro.
sí, es verdad.
Pero no es porque. ¿Sí?
Sí, ya
Ojo acá.
entendí.
Because of the rain. Bueno, menos mal que estamos haciendo este ejercicio. Okay,
Yeah.
number two.
It was all because her dad we go in trouble. Because of.
Because of her. Fue por ella o a causa de ella que
We
nos
got
metimos
into
en
trouble.
problemas. Yeah,
Yeah.
good.
Because we have to hurry indoors because it was raining.
Because it was raining. Excellent. So if you notice, the pattern for because is always a full sentence. And the pattern after because of is just a word or a small phrase, a noun phrase or a pronoun. This is the second part, but the second part of the sentence, no? But the first sentence fue por su culpa. Okay? Can you see the pattern? That it's like very similar. Okay. Number 4.
I am late because of
the traffic. No te pares tanto en el medio, ¿sí? Because of the traffic. Okay?
we didn't arrive until 7 o'clock because the traffic was terrible.
6.
He found the exam easy because of he has worked hard during the course.
So this is because of, a causa de, o
Because.
por. Ah, okay.
No, por.
Porque.
Porque.
7.
He can't drive because
His illness. Su enfermedad. His illness.
because of
his illness. Trata de no pararte tanto cuando lo pronuncies, ¿sí? Because of his illness.
because of
Okay. 8.
The restaurant closed down because of the recession.
The recession. Because of the recession. Okay, are they clear?
Yeah.
Can you see the difference between these two?
Yeah, because of is for cows.
Both are for cause. Both. The thing is, they have different patterns of formation in the sentence.
Information. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's the formation, the way we use the because of needs just
more information.
Just a phrase, a little phrase, a noun phrase. And because needs a whole sentence, a whole idea. Good.
Okay.
Excellent. So remember because and because of. I want to find now so that. Okay? So that. They are not the same. So is entonces, so that would be para. Okay?
Para o de modo que, ¿no?
Exactly. But they are different. Okay? Okay, look at number 1.
It was late. So.
So I went home. Okay.
It was very expensive. So that I didn't buy.
Am, ¿Para qué?
O sea, de modo que no lo pude comprar.
Era muy caro, claro, pero de modo que,
O
eh,
entonces no lo pude comprar.
exacto, no es que, viste que cambia la idea. Una cosa es decir,
Sí.
entonces, que estoy refiriéndome a la consecuencia, ¿sí? Am, al, a la causa de algo. Y si digo para tal cosa, estoy hablando de un propósito. Estoy diciendo, es otra idea la que expresa. So, I didn't buy it. Acá estoy dando la razón. ¿Mm?
Okay.
Number 3.
He spoke slowly
Ujú.
so that they could write everything down.
Exactly. Acá sí.
Mm,
Habló lentamente para que pudieran
sí.
escribir todo. ¿Ok?
I posted it a couple of days ago so that they should have received it by now.
Ah, ¿para qué o
Sí, yo,
para? Porque acá dice, lo envié hace un par de días. Ellos
¿para
deberían haberlo
qué?
recibido ya.
Ah, eso.
Claro, combina con el entonces, ¿sí?
Ujú. Entonces
Entonces
ellos
deberían
deberían
haberlo
haberlo
recibido.
recibido. Ujú.
Ujú. Ok, one more, number 5.
It was,
Ahora fíjate lo que ocurre cuando yo le pongo en el medio el adjetivo.
sí, por eso estoy confundida.
Fíjate que acá lo transformo. Si yo separo el so that, lo vuelvo lo mismo que arriba, pero lo que acá le estoy agregando es un conector, nada más, el that, ¿sí? Entonces, ¿qué opinas en este caso? What do you think?
I saw that.
Which one?
So difficult to that.
So difficult that. Y esta es mal. So difficult. It was so difficult I couldn't complete it. It's wrong.
So it was so difficult I couldn't complete it.
Okay, in this case, either could be used here, ¿sí? Ambas están bien porque el that lo puedo omitir.
Oh,
Puede o
okay.
no estar, entonces son lo mismo,
Se puede,
¿ok?
I can use both.
In this case, yes, because we have the adjective in the middle, in between the so and the that. If they are not separated, they change. It changes the meaning. It
Mm,
has a different meaning. Okay. So this one was tricky. It was tricky. Mm?
okay.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Bien, let's do one more, please. Number 6.
We were silent so that as not to wake up the baby.
This one, so that. Can you combine the so that
What?
with as?
So we were silent so as not to wake up the baby.
So as not to. So as not to. Acá ese so se está combinando con el as
¿Y
not
cómo se
to.
traduce ese as no? Ay.
Junto con el so forman la
Oh,
frase para no. ¿Sí?
oh, ya, ya.
Viste que antes vos me preguntaste sobre el so as
Ay,
to.
sí.
Ok,
Y that's
este es el mismo, pero en
confused.
negativo. It's the
Oh,
same,
yeah.
but in the negative. So as not to wake the baby. ¿Mm?
Yeah, okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Ok. Bien. Ok. Vamos a ver si encontramos uno más rapidito con algún otro. A ver, a ver. A ver, estas de razón. No, perdón, pero yo tengo un montón de links y voy decidiendo según las necesidades de los
Um,
alumnos en el momento. Entonces, a veces me lleva un tiempito decidirme por cuál. Quiero darte como un... Ah, mira, este te va a gustar. Este trabaja sobre los significados, así que vamos a hacer este. Mira, ¿se ve muy pequeño? O, a ver, vamos a agrandar un poquitito. Ahí se ve mejor, ¿no?
ujú, ujú,
Bien, fíjate, tenemos so as not to, que justamente la acabamos de trabajar, y tenés
ujú.
5 significados. ¿Cuál es la correcta?
Ah,
¿Qué
para no.
significa? Para
Para no.
no. Ok, ahí va. Ok. Ah,
Después.
¿y dónde está next? Espera que no encuentro. Switch the next question. Bueno, debe ser esta. Skip. And,
Y,
however,
sin embargo,
good. As long as,
mm, siempre que,
siempre que, con tal que, con
sí,
tal
no
de
estoy muy
que.
segura. Sí.
Ok.
La,
Mientras o con tal de que. Era number two.
oh,
¿Sí?
mientras
Es
contar.
cuando decís, por ejemplo, am, ok, no me mandes la tarea del módulo con tal de que o mientras que vengas a la clase. ¿Sí?
Ah,
Ok.
okay.
It's
As
like,
long as.
mhm, so as to. Igual hay como una muy pequeña diferencia entre, yo no vi del todo mal la traducción, las vi muy parecidas, pero bueno, a veces son una línea muy delgada. Y so as to,
Para no.
¿está negativo este?
Oh, no, no, no. Para.
Para. En este caso
Ujú,
está
para.
positiva.
Sí, para.
Even though,
Además.
no.
No.
Este es muy similar a although, por no decir lo mismo. Although, even though,
Aunque.
aunque. Ujú. In order to,
Además de.
pensá en
No.
el in order to. El so as to, so as not to, son todo lo mismo.
Para.
Para, excelente. Whereas,
Yo nunca había visto esa.
¿no?
No.
Ok,
Pa-
este es mientras que en realidad se usa para mostrar un contraste, ¿sí? Por ejemplo, em,
Whereas. Así pegado.
hay,
Whereas.
Whereas, ¿cómo?
Oh, digo, se escribe así mismo pegado.
Sí, sí,
Whereas.
se escribe todo
Oh,
junto, sí. Y es cuando vos decís, me gusta el café, pero a mi mamá le gusta el té, o mientras que a mi mamá le gusta el té. Bueno, ahí ya te estoy diciendo cuál es. Siendo que o mientras que a mi mamá.
¿qué?
Yo entiendo que esto pues está como con unas traducciones medio raritas, pero sí, iba a eso. Bueno, esta tampoco estaba en la teoría providing. Me puedo saltear algunas que vea que no estén para no volverte loca. Espera, neither nor. Ok, therefore sí estaba. Therefore.
Por lo tanto,
Por lo tanto, muy bien. Me sigo salteando. Ah, esta tiene un error, tiene un H de más. Except es fácil. Bueno, y for, bueno, habría
ahí
que ver, porque como está fuera de contexto, podría tener diferentes opciones,
sí,
este
porque
for.
es como le digo, ahí no se puede confundir. You can confuse that
Mm,
because it's no
yes, yes,
for,
when
no
it's out of...
why.
Ujú.
Yeah.
Cuando está fuera de contexto, estoy de acuerdo. Espera, or else. As soon as, este sí estaba, ¿o no?
Mm,
I think it was.
sin embargo, ¿no?
Eh,
O en
mm,
cuanto.
Claro, porque es tan pronto como o en
Ujú,
cuanto,
en
¿sí?
cuanto.
Bien, no te quiero volver loca. La idea con los connectors, the idea with the connectors is to have them present, okay? To
Okay.
know they exist and to try to incorporate them little by little, okay?
Okay.
Good? Clear?
Good. Yes.
Ok. Bueno, me quedó articles, ¿sí? Nos llegamos para los artículos. El un o una, el él, la, los o las.
Oh, yeah.
Ujú. How were the exercises with that? Was it clear?
Yeah,
Yeah?
it was clear. Mhm.
Okay, perfect. So for next week, we have module 7.
7.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, we passed
The time.
half of the
Yeah.
course. Yeah, but well,
So how do you think about my English?
I see you much more confident with yourself when you speak.
Mm,
How do you feel?
yeah.
How do you feel?
That's
¿Cómo te
my
sentís?
problem. That's
Okay.
my problem. That sometimes I know what word I can use, but I um when I want to do the sentences, sometimes I confuse because my guy see. But sometimes when I speak, I understand all
Mm-hmm.
you say.
Yeah.
But when I when I want to speak, so my problem is that I think first in my in Spanish and English I translate and
Yeah, but
then
when you talk to me in the class, you are not thinking so much. You are very fluent now. You are speaking without thinking very much because you are fluent now. Of course, you
yeah
have moments when you have some doubts, you're not sure, you are thinking, of course. But
yeah and I try to change the word and use the
mhm,
other word that I know what is the
yeah,
pronunciation.
uh-huh. And how do you feel when you are in the community, when you're trying to communicate with others there in the city?
Depends the other person
Okay.
because sometimes if you I know if this person can understand me or I sometimes the person that when you start to speak the other person knows
Yeah,
She's
some
this
people have
now.
like better predisposition, right? Than
Yeah,
others.
yeah,
Some others don't help very much, are not very helpful. But yeah, that's people. That's people. But I see
yeah.
you are
And this,
improving a lot.
yeah, the English is,
From the first day I saw you till
yeah,
now, you have improved a lot.
thank
I
you.
see, I see a lot of improvement, but you don't see? You don't feel?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay.
I feel better now.
Okay.
Mhm.
Well,
Yeah.
so have a Merry Christmas on Monday with your family. Enjoy. Have a very
Thank you.
nice meal together, a reunion. Enjoy family, love. And we're meeting again next week, okay, for module
Okay.
7. Okay?
Thank you.
No,
Merry
thank
Christmas.
you. Thank you. Bye-bye. See
Bye.
you, Gilbenis.
Bye.
Bye-bye.